I have rooted cuttings from knockout roses. Should I plant them in the fall or wait till spring? If I leave them potted, do I need to bring them inside or leave them on my porch or a storage shed? And this is Sheila from Chapmanville, West Virginia. So, can we help her out with her rooted cuttings? And these are knockout roses. So, should she plant those in the fall or would you wait till the spring?
If they're rooted and they're starting, I'd put the pot in the ground. I used to take my cuttings and do mostly in the spring.
Okay.
But then the heat in the summer and the lack of rain gets you and it knocks down their survival rate. But fall is going to be cooler and it lets the roots get established.
Right.
Now they'll freeze and that's going to kill them. But I would, once they're rooted, keep them in the shade. But then when winter comes, either keep them from freezing or put them in the ground. I start my cuttings, I just stick them in the ground to start with.
So you have to keep them protected in the winter if you're going to leave them outside.
Yeah, because they'll freeze.
Right.
And you can cover them up with dirt. I dug up some roses. Somebody had some construction site, had in a shed or something, and I dug them up, a nice root ball, put them in the corner, covered them with hardwood mulch. The next spring, when it was finished, I dug a hole, and when I just pulled them up out of the ground, out of that mulch, there was white roots everywhere. It was amazing.
Okay.
But I'd stick them in pots in the ground. I mean, their winter's a little harsher than ours.
Right, right. And if you think about their plant zone in West Virginia, it's going to be 6A, 6B. So the plants have to survive temperatures of minus 10 degrees.
And cover them up with mulch or something.
Right.
That
So I
won't
cover
hurt.
them up. Okay.
That's what I do.
So that's what you do?
Good luck.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.